Hello and welcome to day number 50 of our Travel Trader series, and today we are at Petra in Jordan. It's the middle of the desert, and some Nabateans they built that incredible city, like they carved it into the stone. Must have been a lot of work. So there's like city all around us. They have this huge monastery and like this treasury and was all these incredible buildings. And now you can imagine like to build a complete building inside a stone, to carve it out of a stone and use it actually as a building. That must take a lot of time, a lot of effort, and also a lot of money. And if you think about why would the Nabateans be able to actually afford to build a city like that, which is really, really incredible. So if you haven't been here, I absolutely recommend for you to visit it. It's one of the new 7 wonders of the world. It's really, really an amazing place. And here is the link to trading, because the Nabateans, they actually were traders, so they bought things in one place and they brought it to another place, and that's how they get all of these wealth for the treasury and building that city and all these kind of things. So trading works now for several thousand years and enables a complete tribe to become rich and famous and world renowned. And that's something that we can use today, because obviously we can use trading to earn money as well, be wealthy and build incredible not only buildings, but we can use it to build a legacy, to change the world and do whatever we want and whatever we are passionate about. And I wanted to quickly share this in this video with you. So it's something that works for hundreds and hundreds and thousands of years, and it's still fascinating for me. Like, I'm trading 24 years now, and it still fascinates me. So thank you very much for watching. I leave you with that incredible site behind